to Madhura's Kitchen Diaries. We all have loved doing scientific experiments when we were kids. Today we'll be unboxing our molecular gastronomy kit. What exactly is molecular gastronomy? It is basically utilizing scientific techniques to transform traditional cuisine into a modern sensory experience. It is going to make our recipes more presentable and aesthetically pleasing. It investigates the physical and chemical transformation that ingredients undergo during the cooking process. It even studies how food reacts and tastes under different temperatures, pressures, and other scientific conditions. Isn't it all interesting? Let us unbox today the Cuisinart Evolution Kit of Molecular Gastronomy. Hope you all enjoy watching it. Thank you so much. To follow us on YouTube, search for Madhura's Kitchen Diaries on YouTube. Press the subscribe button followed by the bell icon and select all option to get the latest notifications of all our recipes. So when I first came across this terminology molecular gastronomy, I was wondering what it is all about. And then I came to know that it is a fusion of your science with your creativity. Just like makeup enhances our features, the molecular styling kit enhances the appearance of food. Let us first go through the instruction booklet. Our molecular gastronomy booklet is presented in two languages, that is English and French. There are three basic molecular gastronomy techniques, which are jellification, emulsification, and spherification. Jellification is the process of converting a solution into a gel, which can be either in a shape of a pearl, a spaghetti, or a sheet. Emulsification is the process of transforming a liquid into a light and tasty foam. These colorful foams help in intensifying the aromas of the recipes. Spherification is the process of encapsulating denser, thicker liquids like purees or dairy products like yogurts into a sphere that when had burst in the mouth. So this booklet is explaining the same basic techniques with preparation steps explained on the right side of the page and the principle behind the techniques explained on the left side of the page. Now let's open the Cuisinart Evolution Kit. This is how the kit looks. We'll remove the sleeve and now open the box. There is an instruction booklet that describes the techniques that we have elaborated before in the video. As also the different type of recipes which are possible using the contents in the kit. We'll come to our additives. The first one is calcium lactate. Calcium lactate is used in the spherification process. There are 5 pouches of calcium lactate in a small box, each containing 2 grams of the additive. The second additive is sodium alginate. Even this is used in the spherification process. The box is containing 5 sachets, each containing 2 grams of sodium alginate. Our third additive is soy lecithin. Soy lecithin is used in the emulsification process. It again contains 5 sachets, each containing 2 grams of soy lecithin. Our fourth additive is agar-agar. This is used in the jellification process. It again contains 5 sachets, each containing 2 grams of agar-agar. Let's open the next box and see what it contains. This box is containing the tools which are required for preparing the recipes. There is a silicone mold, a food grade syringe, a measuring spoon, a slotted spoon, 2 pipettes, and 2 silicone tubes. That brings us to the end of our unboxing. Keep watching Madhura's Kitchen Diaries for molecular gastronomy recipes that we'll be uploading soon in addition to our regular recipes. Thank you.